You can use a Gorilla charge type to get a list of the charges associated with your Seller Central account. The syntax is quite simple. You only need to input your seller ID and the rest of the parameters are optional. By default, charge type is set to display only the charges associated with your account, but you can get the full list by using the full list parameter and typing yes. So let me show you how. I'm going to skip marketplace, filter charge, direction parameters, and now here I will type yes, and that's it. So right now I have about 93 different charges, but if I remove or if I set it to no, then I will only get the charges associated with my account. The full list contains 93 different charges, but I only see 29 for my account. We also have the fee type function. The main difference between charge type and fee type is charges are what Amazon charges for selling on their platform, and fee type is the cost that you incur for the services that you take, such as gift wrap and other fees, referral fees, FBA fees. Those are all fee types. The syntax for fee type is exactly the same as charge type, so you can also get either the full list or the fees associated with your account only. Right now I'm being charged for 29 different types of fees. Let's see the complete list that Amazon charges. You only need to type yes, and that's it. We see 94 different type of charges, but since we only want to see what we are being charged, we can either type no in the full list parameter, or we can leave it blank, and we will only see the fees that are associated with our account. You can also use the event parameter to filter these events. By default, direction is set to column. This is why we see the complete list in a single column. In case you want to see the list in multiple columns but a single row, then you can type in row in direction parameter and you will get a horizontal list. To filter any kind of fee, you can just type in, let's say you can type in gift, and you will only see gift wrap, chargeback fee and gift wrap commission, because we only have these two gift wrap fee types here. Other than this, in case your subscription ID do not save, use the incognito mode of your browser, and if you are in Europe, you will need to use semicolon instead of comma, depending on your locale settings.